Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am just going to be using some new products really soon. I just thought I'd go ahead and tell you what I'm going to be rolling in to use. And if you missed my empties and my video where I'm saying everything that I'm using right now, a lot of that is staying the same, but some of that makeup is going to be getting used up pretty soon. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be rolling in very soon, some sooner than others, of course, I hope you consider giving me a like, subscribing, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue on showing you everything here. If you do like channels like this, I hope you consider subscribing. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start with my foundations. My foundation is almost used up that I'm using right now. So I'm going to be bringing these in. This is the KVD, and I have two different ones. I'm not sure if I'll mix these together or just use them all at the same time, but this is what they look like. And this is the Good Apple. This one is in light, and then this one is in a light 024. So I'm not really sure what the difference is. They do look a little bit different, of course. So maybe I'll start with the darker and then work on the lighter one after the summer is gone, just because I might have a little bit more tan, or it makes more sense to have more tan in the summertime. So a little darker would be good with bronzer, of course, things like that. So, and then the next thing here, we bring in a concealer here. This is from Guerlain. So this is what it looks like, and I cannot read for the life of me what it says on the bottom that the shade is, but you can see from here, this is really, really light. So I think when my other concealer gets used up, which is a little bit darker than this will be really good for the fall/winter, however long it takes me to use that. And I have a powder here, and I just used up my powder today, so I'll be trying this out tomorrow for the first time. This is the amorus USA Duo Setting Powder. It's a face and under eye. So, and the shade is just as translucent. So this is what it looks like, and then the top has you can see it's just your regular powder here, pressed powder. This is what it looks like. I'll show you here, and then without the mirror glaring everything, this is what the inside looks like. This is the pressed powder. And then on the other side, if you take this off, there is a powder puff, and of course, you have your loose setting powder. So I'm excited to try this out. I got this at Marshall's a while ago, and most of the time I do end up getting more loose powders, but it's nice to try different things. And I think they're saying that the top one is for the under eyes and the bottom all over, but I'm sure you can do whatever you want. So this will be coming in very, very soon, like I said, tomorrow. And I have some, these are my primers. So my primers are fine. My setting spray is almost gone, but I'll show you the primer I'm going to pick out. This is the Vanessa myrics Beauty's Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum, it mattifying and priming face serum. So this is what this one looks like. I figure it'll still be pretty hot and stuff, and I'll be wanting a more mattifying primer when my other one gets used up, because it'll still be pretty hot until maybe at least late September, and even then I'll just use it no matter what. But I think it'll be really good for this time of the year. So I haven't tried this before, so it'll be interesting to try this one out. And the setting spray I have picked out, because my setting spray is almost gone, is from Milani. This is the Fruit Fetish Make It Last and the Mango Coconut Scent Setting Spray. So this is what it looks like. Again, I haven't tried this before. I just picked this up not too long ago, so I'm excited to try this out. And coconut scent, I mean, it's probably really good. I love this one, coconut. This says mango and coconut, so I think this is going to be really, really nice, and hopefully it sets the skin well also, and it will help my makeup. I'm going to be bringing in some new brow products here, and they're from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this first one here is just a little bit different of a shade than what I'm using right now. I'm using the same product, only a different shade, so until that gets used up, then I'll bring this in. But this is the medium brown brow powder. So I can go ahead and show you. This is what it looks like. And I really do enjoy using these powders. And the next item here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Freeze. And I'm going to be using this just as soon as maybe even tomorrow, because I just used up the last one, and it looks a little dingy. No, to be honest, I had to look off screen. I believe I already started using this. I have two that are the exact same, but I really thought that this one hadn't been opened. Honestly, it has been, but I used the other one completely up and then threw this in the drawer and then found it later. And since they look exactly the same, they are exactly the same, I ended up using the other ones, this one or vice versa. I used them both, but used the other one up anyway. Long story short, I'm going to go back and start using this, and it's almost used up more than I thought it was. So it's not going to be very long before this one is used up. Even while bringing it in, it was already half used up. So that's usually I try to bring things in that haven't been used. So I have an eyeshadow primer here. This is the Essence Prime Like a Pro eyeshadow base. And I've used these in the past, but once my other primer gets used up, I will be bringing this one in. This is very nice and it's a good price. I still like Ulta a little bit better, but it is a good one. I lastly will be bringing in two lipsticks, or lip glosses, I should say. One of them I'm using right now, and that is the Too Faced. I thought I could use this over other lip products, but honestly, I like it by itself, especially in the summertime. So this is what I'm going to be going with now, and like I said, I have it on right now, and I really like it. And when that gets used up, I'm going to bring this Anastasia one in, and this is in the color. What is this color? It's Brilliant Loves, I believe is what this is called. So I'll be bringing this in when this one is gone. So I believe these will take at least a month to use up, if not more. So that is my future plans for my makeup. If you do project planning, I hope you are doing well. And if this kind of video interests you, I hope you consider subscribing. Give me a like. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.